Good morning, kids. Today, our lesson is all about compound words. Now, this is the continuation of our previous lesson last week. When you were still at school, if you can still remember, we talked about compound words. So this is just a recap. I hope you can still remember what are compound words. So let's start here. So we have two pictures here, and I want you to name each drawing, and you have to write the names on your copybook. So what are those names? Okay, I think you are done. And let's move on to the next two pictures. Now I want you to write the names of those two pictures. Very good. Let's move on. Let's go to the third set of pictures. Now you have to write the names of those two pictures. Are you done? Let's find out. So actually the first picture, it shows us, let's go back there. Let's see, the first picture is showing us a basket. And this next picture shows us a picture of a ball. Am I right? Okay. And then this two set of pictures, the first one is a picture of a tooth, and then this is a picture of a paste. And then the third set of pictures are, this is a picture of a bed, and this is a picture of a room. Now, if we combine these words together, what do you notice? What do you see? So if we're going to combine basket plus ball, this is equals to basketball. So basket is another word. Ball is another word. But if we combine them all together, it will create a new word, basketball. Same thing with the second words. Tooth plus paste is equals to toothpaste. Now, as you can see, tooth is another word, paste is another word, but if we combine them all together, if we join them all together, it will create a new word, toothpaste. Same thing with bed plus room. Bed and room together equals bedroom. So what happens when we put together two words? So two small words can be put together to form a new word. This new word is called compound words. The new word has an entirely different meaning. Again, the new word, has an entirely different meaning. So let's study the words, and what do you think the words will make up later on? Look, we have storehouse. So storehouse has actually two different words, store and house. Let's say backyard. We have two words for this compound word. We have back and yard. Rice cake, we have rice and cake. Every day, we have every and day. Easy, right? So when you put the two words together, do they form a new word with different meaning? What is your answer? Yes or no? Who said yes? Who said no? What do you think is the correct answer? Yes or no? Yes, they will form a different kind of word. So the two words being combined together will create a new word. Okay, So let's have another one. Let's say firefly. Do you know what fireflies are? Fireflies are those flying insects that glows in the dark, right? Okay, so we have fire and fly. Fire is a flame. Fly is an insect. So if we're going to join them all together, firefly. So this is another meaning. It talks about an insect. It doesn't talk about a flame anymore. It's just not talking about an insect, but this is another kind of insect which we call firefly. It is now an insect which carries light with it. Another one is bookstore. You see, book, it means reading material. Store, it means a place where you can buy. Now, if we combine these two words together, bookstore. Now, bookstore is another word, store that sells books. Now, we need to form a compound word by putting together the names of the pictures. Are you ready? Okay, what about this? Oh yeah, this is what we call the ball pen. What about this? Wheel and chair, wheelchair. This is table and cloth, tablecloth. Arm and chair, armchair. Butter and fly, butterfly. So again, what is a compound word? A compound word is made up of two words put together to form a new word with different meaning. Now I want you to read it again 3 times. Can you read it by yourself? Very good. So let's match the words in column A with those in column B to form compound words. Then let's complete the sentences using the formed words. Let's have, for the column A, we have the words bed, rain, break, glass or class, mail. And for the column B, we have coat, room, mate, man, and fast. Now, can you match column A to column B? Match the words so we can have a new word. We can create a new word. We can create a compound word. Go ahead and get your copybook. I want you to write the answers on your copybook. Remember, after doing this activity, I want you to take a picture of your copybook and send it to me via comments. Okay? Very good. Are you finished? Okay. Now, I think you are done. I think you are done. So I just want you to have a quick check of the answers that you wrote on your copybook. Now let's try to answer number 1. What do you think is the best match for the word bed in order for us to create a new word or a new compound word? Bed. Bed, yes, bed and room. Bedroom, very good. Are your answers correct? Okay, now let's have the second word, rain. What do you think is the best match for this word, rain? Raincoat, very good. What about break? Break, break, break. Breakfast, very good, breakfast. Now let's have class, 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 class. Classroom, very good. And mail, mail, mailman, very good. All right, guys. Very good. You had a perfect score. Now, the next task, we are going to complete the sentences using the formed words we had here. Okay? So, we are done here. We've formed new words. Now, we're going to use them to fill in these sentences. So, I'll be giving you 5 minutes to read the sentences and filling in the correct compound words. Okay, assuming that 5 minutes is over, now let's answer number one. It is a helpful habit to eat dash every morning. What do you think is the best answer for this? Yes, good job, breakfast. So it is a helpful habit to eat breakfast every morning. Good job. Now let's answer number two. I stay in my dash when I'm sick. Stay in my, what do you think is the best compound word here? Very good. I stay in my bedroom when I'm sick. Very good. Now let's have number three. My blank visited me when I was sick. My classmate. Very good. My classmate visited me when I was sick. Good job. Now let's have number four. I use a blank during rainy days. What do I use during rainy days? Raincoat. Very good. I use a raincoat during rainy days. Now what about number five? The blank delivers letters. The mailman delivers letters. Very good, kids. Okay, now that is all for today about compound words. I hope you, oh buddy, mastered this topic of ours. Okay, I'll be giving you homework from your workbook, and I want you to answer them today, and I want you to turn in your homework maybe tomorrow. Okay, so thank you.